Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change or rename your account name in Mycelium application. First of all, launch open the Mycelium wallet app on your device, and once you're inside the main wallet page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right, and from the main wallet page of Mycelium, go ahead and select one of your accounts from the account dropdown. Now, after you do that, from the account page, go to the top right corner and tap the three dots. You'll then see the rename button, tap on it, and go ahead and rename your account name. After you do that, click on save, and you'll then be able to rename your account's name in Mycelium wallet. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.